We are pleased to show you the 2012 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tonneau cover, towing package, bed liner, traction control, warranty, power door locks, power windows, power steering, bucket seats, cloth seats. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Program. It's the smart choice.